Hello, my name is Tuệ Minh. I'm 5 years old. I class Roman Unit 3. Today, I will show you how to make a puppet. This is paper. It's half yellow. And this is my pencil and have eraser. This is scissor. This is a stick. Okay, I will cut it. Cut like this. I think it's easy. Okay, now we need a stick. Cut. Okay, I will stick in here. Okay, wait a little bit. This is white, but we get out is yellow. Okay, I will need a stick in here. I will stick in here. Okay. Maybe like this. Okay. Do this and I will get out the white need to cut this. Okay, I will do this and this and okay, I will try. Green like this. Where? Thanks, Mom. Okay, here. And I will stay. A little bit smallie. We'll stick in here. More stick. And I'm waiting. I will try. Here's finish. I think I can get out. And I will put in here. I need to color in my pencil. Ooh. Here is my puppet. Here is a mouth. Here is a teeth. Here is an ear. Here is eyes. And here is a foot and a feet. And here, I don't know. Here is we can ring it. But I stick in here. We don't can ring it more. And thank you for listening. Bye bye.